In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Java 2026 Full Guide. Integrating advanced language models into Java doesn't have to feel like deciphering a maze of HTTP clients, serializers, and thread pools. By pairing solid Java practices with clear targeted prompts, you can offload planning, boilerplate, and review work to ChatGPT and keep your focus on building reliable features. Let's walk through a practical flow you can follow right inside your IDE. First, start with architecture, not ad hoc code. Ask ChatGPT to act as an elite Java systems architect and produce a structural roadmap for your OpenAI integration module. Tell it you want clean service abstractions, dependency injection, and modern object-oriented design without legacy clutter or memory leaks. Request a package layout, class responsibilities, and recommended data types for transfer objects formatted clearly. This gives you a cohesive blueprint before you write a single connector. Next, clarify your connectivity logistics. Have ChatGPT outline an efficient approach for handling thousands of concurrent requests with standard HTTP client settings, including payload shaping, connection pooling timeouts, and JSON parsing rules that align with JVM performance guidelines. Ask for concrete serialization examples, threading weight estimates, and naming conventions that preserve variable continuity. A good prompt here saves you from reactive pipeline confusion later and encourages one shared pooled client with predictable backoff behavior. Then, widen your toolset beyond average wrappers. Ask ChatGPT to surface high-yield frameworks and utilities for professional LLM orchestration, things like structured output helpers, streaming utilities, or integrations such as LangChain4j, plus why they matter, and how to weave them into your workflow without creating blocking hotspots. Prioritize well-maintained tools, proven streaming support, and interfaces that make testing and observability straightforward. After that, generate a rigorous deployment checklist tailored to your app. Instruct ChatGPT to categorize items under environment security and key management, exception trapping and backoff, stream token processing, and unit testing with mocks. Include a short pre-deployment alert section that calls out typical garbage collection spikes, payload truncation risks, and architectural pitfalls. Keep secrets in environment variables or a vault, validate character encodings, and confirm that your retries are idempotent. Finally, run a performance and code quality review. Ask ChatGPT as a master reviewer to assess asynchronous execution, memory usage for payloads, and structural consistency. Have it call out weaknesses in blocking I/O wrappers, propose 3 thread-safe improvements to your automation code, and organize feedback into a clear module review dashboard you can iterate on quickly. Handing planning, boilerplate, and diagnostics to ChatGPT lets you move faster and ship sturdier Java backends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.